I think the local institutions and local investors can pick up the slack here. I've never really looked at the foreign as, they say it's 50-50, but in my opinion it's about 70-30. 70% of it's still local investors. So I think local investors can pick up the slack, and if that happens, I think foreign funds are gonna get wind of that, and we may see them come back in. But right now, from a technical standpoint, we've held that 7.5 support level. It's a very strong support level. We've held it all these weeks now. I think the locals can support this market.
So when you see this also, locals coming in to lap up shares left behind by the foreign funds, it implies that there's a differing, I guess, a viewpoint or point of view with regards to where the PSE is heading. Perhaps, is this just basically domestic investors saying, hey, it's cheap now, I'm going to come in and pick things up? Or is this alluding to perhaps some positives that domestic local investors are seeing that foreign funds perhaps aren't?
Well, I think local businesses know that fundamentals here in the Philippines are very strong. Despite that foreign outflow, I think you're right. I think investors are coming in, local investors are coming in saying the PSE is cheap right now. It's the perfect time to put our funds in the stock market.
All right, but however, though, Chris, we're seeing that the PSE has fallen by another 117 points so far today. Let's talk let's talk about where it's heading near term, because it has also fallen below 7,500 so far today. Is there a chance that we might actually see it breach that tight trading range we've seen it trade out over the last 2 months, or is this or are you confident the PSE can actually pick itself up after opening this deep in the red so far today?
Well, it can breach that 7.5 level. We've seen it a few weeks ago. I think we saw it come below 7.5 as well. It got all the way down to 7.480. So 7.480 to 7.5. That's that strong support that we're talking about. It can break it. It can break it, absolutely. If it does, we can see it go all the way down to 7.2. But if it holds that 7.480 to 7.5 support level, if you look at the chart technically, it shows a triple bottom. If it holds it, you see a bottom here, and if we can hold that 7.5, 7.480, 7.5 again this week, that's a triple bottom. That's a strong bullish reversal pattern. So we'll just have to see what happens.